Hi everyone, I'm Savage Bell, and today we're talking about agent branding and profiles on your Zillow Showcase listings. Your profile is one of the easiest ways to make sure your name, your photo, and your reviews are visible whenever anyone visits your Showcase listing. So let's jump in and I'll show you how to make your name and brand front and center. Let's get started. When you log into Zillow Showcase for the first time, you'll be prompted to create your agent profile. Fill out as much as you can: name, contact info, social links, and especially your bio. Use a professional headshot, ideally the same one you used on your Zillow agent profile. At the top of the page, you'll see the option to connect to your Zillow agent profile. Definitely do this. It will automatically pull in your reviews and ratings so they show up on your Showcase listings. Now, if you don't have a Zillow agent profile yet, just go to Zillow.com, click on Find an Agent, and search for your name. If you don't see yourself, click the profile icon at the top right to create an account. Make sure you check the box that says, I am a landlord or real estate professional, and this will let you add your credentials, headshot, bio, and social links. Even if Zillow isn't your favorite platform, it does get a huge amount of traffic, so having a polished, up-to-date profile here helps you stand out and gives potential buyers more confidence in you as an agent. That's it. Setting up your Zillow Showcase takes just a few minutes, but it has a huge impact on your visibility and brand. Call or email me anytime for help, and remember to visit our Zillow Showcase resource page on Beach Minute, where you can get instructions, how-to manuals, videos on how to set all this stuff up, and even some downloadable client-facing materials. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.